DigyDashboard integration with TestNG. Choose a plan at digi4.com according to your automation needs. Sign up and get the OTP. Pay for the chosen plan or start the trial mode. Fill in the name and address. Log in to the dashboard. Add the project name against which you will run automation. Fill in the project name. Save it and note the project name. Now go to Profile and copy the client ID and client secret, which you will use later when running automation. Run Digi4 Testing Starter Kit. Prerequisite: install Maven and Git commands. Note down the project name and add it to project parameter. And same thing for client ID and client secret. Clone the Git repository. CD into the directory and run the Maven command with all the necessary parameters. And you will see the results in the DigyDashboard immediately. Thank you.